How to cancel DaVinci AI Image Generator subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID, open it. Now go ahead and click on the option of subscriptions. Once you land to this page, you're gonna find different subscription sections over here, such as active, inactive. Heading towards active subscription, you will find the option of DaVinci. You have to go ahead and open it. After you open the DaVinci subscription, you'll find the option of cancel subscription at the bottom. You have to click on it. Now you'll get the pop-up, confirm cancellation, click on confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for DaVinci. Now you won't be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the app or deleting the account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, this is how you can easily cancel DaVinci AI Image Generator subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.